Hey everybody, welcome back to another walkthrough by MarineMax Danvers. My name's Adam Van Fleet. Today we're walking through a 2022 Sea Ray 190 SPX with the Outboard on it. First thing you'll notice as we're outside of the boat, it's going to be the Horizon hull color. That's the hull side color, and it has the optional white bottom on it. All right, black rub rails with a stainless steel insert running all the way down the back of the boat there. As you walk around the back, you'll notice the big swim platform on either side of the Outboard, and that 150 Mercury making its presence known back there. Plenty of power. You'll have no issues towing skiers, tubers, anything like that with this boat, with the ski pylon mounted right in the center of the aft. Coming up the starboard side of the boat, you'll notice a nice recessed ladder to get back in, and your first storage locker here. First locker is going to be filled with a cooler, as well as your battery controls mounted on the sidewall there. Nice A-side finishes throughout. Gas-assisted struts will keep that door up, make sure it's not falling down on your toes, as well as nice stainless steel polished latches. You have the sun pad right here. This is going to cover your second storage locker. If we look down in here, of course, because we have the Outboard model, we have plenty of storage down here. This is where you keep things like your canvas and their pylons, water sports tubes, anything like that, fenders and lines, stern anchors will all go down in here, as well as your second cooler locker. Tucked right in there, it's got nice containment latches on there. Keep the cooler right in place while you're running. Again, gas-assisted struts, nice and easy. Just pull it right down. As we look into the cockpit of the boat, my favorite part, the blue LED lighting package. This will just give you nice accent lighting, give you nice ambiance when you're on the boat at night. All the cup holders are illuminated, under the seats, the dash, looks really good. This particular one, we have the dual captain's chairs. So that gives you, from the upgraded bench here, to an actual captain's chair sitting on the port side. We have a 5-inch Simrad screen here. That's gonna be a chart plotter, depth finder, everything all in one, as well as your tachometer and your trim tab and your gas. Fusion radio controls in here. Speakers throughout the boat is that single control there, as well as your throttle, all Mercury controls there. Nice stainless steel with a leather wrapped steering wheel. This is going to be your third storage compartment in the boat. Under these latches here. And this is your ski locker. It is draining, so it will drain down to the bilge. Put your anchor in here for the bow, water skis, any more pylons that you might have. Will go right inside here, okay? Putting that back down. Get your latches, and we move up to the bow here. Storage compartment up top, as well as seats throughout. If you sneak up here, I'll switch with you. You can see all that accent lighting in the backrest of that boat. Grab handles are going to be both port and starboard, as well as speakers. Grab handles are going to be nice when you're underway. If you got people riding on the bow, it'll be perfect so they can hang on. Hope you enjoyed today's walkthrough of the 2022 Sea Ray 190 SPX with the Outboard edition. My name's Adam Van Fleet. This boat's available. If you got questions on this one or any other one in the MarineMax inventory, I want you to give me a call, 781-635-8684. We'll see you next time, guys. Thanks.